Residential real estate includes both new construction and resale homes. Most common category is single-family homes. There are condos, co-ops, townhouses, duplexes, triple deckers, quadplexes, everything can be considered residential real estate as long as it's a family or a single person living in it. So renting, the idea of the duplex, quadplex, triple stacker, anything like that is specifically for residential real estate. They're normally more expensive than a home of the same size or square footage, mostly because of the additional income available through renting it. So, real estate investing, it's not always what you think it is. Anytime Joe Schmo or whoever buys a home, he's inevitably going to put money into it, and that is going to raise the value of his home when he goes to sell it. So if he buys $100,000 home, puts $10,000 into it, when he puts it on the market, he's able to sell the home for whatever it's worth. Normally, the housing market goes up when you after you purchase a home, the value of your home goes up. For example, my parents bought a house. They paid $115,000 for it. They put about $20,000 worth of work into it, and they turned around and sold it for about 200,000. It's just the housing market goes up at different times of the year, and based on the economic health of the country, it's just kind of always changing. Um, right here, you can see that there's this wall. Um, you know, when you buy a home, chances are you're not going to leave it the same. So in this before and after picture, they took out this wall, they added an island, they updated the light fixtures. All of this is going to make the house worth a little bit more to the next person that wants to buy it, putting more money into the pocket of the person selling it. This is kind of how we evaluate the housing market. Low unemployment means more people working, more people buying homes. Wages rising means more people have more money, and their budgets are able to go up. And if people are making more money, that means they're spending more money. Like I said before, budgets going up, stuff like that. This is just another graph that shows the same thing. More people employed, higher wages, they have a bigger budget, demand goes up. Lower interest rates, meaning they can afford a bigger mortgage, demand goes up. And then another thing that affects the market in a positive direction is supply goes down. There's fewer homes, so the ones on the market are worth more.